Hey everybody, Zach here, coming at you from my new truck, and today we are going to tow something heavy with this. I found a Clark Yardlift forklift. It's a 10,000 pound lift yard lift, and yeah, we're gonna go pick that sucker up. I don't know how heavy it is. It's a 10,000 pound lift, so I'm guessing it's somewhere on the north side of that. I would guess maybe 15,000 pounds, something like that. I hope it's not too heavy. We're gonna rent a 14,000 pound trailer because that's the biggest one I can rent here, and yeah, fingers crossed we don't break it. So anyway, yeah, we'll see how the new truck tows. All right, we're a couple miles from the place here. I just went ahead and filled the truck up. I kind of want to see what kind of mileage I'm gonna get out of this 2019 F250 with the Powerstroke, pulling probably 15 to maybe 18,000 pounds, something like that. Alright, so I'm pretty blown away by the way this truck handled hauling that thing back. That lift, I think, is about 15,000 pounds, and then the trailer's, I don't know, probably another 4,000 or 5,000 pounds. I mean, it was squatting pretty good with that lift on there. And anyway, yeah, I'm blown away. Like, this was just like driving my Honda down the road. This truck, you hit it, tow haul, and then you hit the button for, you know, automatic exhaust brake, and it doesn't speed up going down hills. And power wise, like, I didn't really even know that thing was back there. It is pretty insane. Like, I filled up right before I picked the thing up, and then I'm gonna drop the trailer here off, and we'll fill up again and see what kind of mileage I got hauling that thing back. It wasn't super long haul, but you know, kind of give me an idea what kind of mileage I'm gonna expect out of this thing hauling. All right, made it back to the shop here. I'm actually pretty impressed. It was a 147 mile round trip there on 6.7 gallons of fuel, so it was like 12 and some change miles per gallon. I'm pretty impressed with that. Like, I, you know, had a couple hills there. I was, you know, giving the truck hell going up just to see what it'll do.